Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel, JSS CBC Mathematics with Madam Sarah. So today, I want to show you how to solve linear equations using elimination method, okay? So, let's do this example. Assume you're given 3x minus 2y equals 7, okay? Then 2x plus y is still 7, okay? How do I do that? How do I do this? So when we talk of elimination method, since in these sums you have two unknowns, okay? You have to eliminate one of the unknown, right? You can choose to eliminate either of these, okay? So in this case, we can choose to eliminate y. How do we do that? On top, this equation on top here, we have 2y. Below, we have y. So if we directly add these two, we will have a remaining negative y, okay? So what do? Multiply this one by 2, okay? So what do you get? You'll get 4x plus 2y equals 14. You multiply everything by 2. So 2x times 2 is 4x, y times 2 is 2y, and 7 times 2 is 14, okay? We can choose to put this other equation down here, doesn't matter the position. So I can put my 3x minus 2y equals 14, okay? So what do? I will not equals 14 equals 7, okay? 7. So I can choose to add this, because if you put a negative, it will be negative that will turn to positive. So we will add, okay? So after adding, you'll get that this y here ends is now 0, but we'll have 4 plus 3x, which is 7x, which equals to what? Which is equals to 21, right? So if you divide by 7, by 7, 1 by 7, 1, by 7, 1 by 7, 3. So you'll get that x is what? Is 3. You can choose to replace this x in any of the equations above here, okay? So if we choose to put it on the first equation, we'll say that 3 into bracket, you replace x with 3, you subtract 2y equals 7, right? So 9 minus 2y equals 7. Take this 9 to this other side. If you take it to this other side, it means that it will become a negative. So negative 2y equals 7 minus what? Minus 9, right? So negative 2y equals negative 2, right? Because 7 minus 9 is negative 2. You can choose to divide by negative 2 by negative 2. So by negative, it becomes positive. This 2, 1, this 2, 1. This one becomes a positive, and this one. So you'll get that y is equal to 1, right? And if you're doubting, you can just confirm with the above equation, okay? So 3x is 9 minus 2y, which is 2, equals 7, right? Yes, that is how we do elimination method. We have our second example. 3x plus 4y equals 17, and 2x plus 3y equals 12. We can choose to eliminate this x as well, but I told you it doesn't matter. You can choose to eliminate either, okay? In this case, let's just eliminate y. So we have 4y and we have 3y. For them to be a similar factor, 12 is the closest. So we can just multiply this above equation by 3, and the second equation by what? By 4, right? So 3x times 3, that is 9x, plus 4y times 3, that is 12y, and 17 times 3, is that 51? Times 3? Yes, that is 51. Okay? 2x times 4, that is 8x, plus, again, 12y, equals 12 times 4, which is 48. Right? Yes. So, we introduce a negative because positive 12 minus positive 12, that is 0. So, we already eliminate this one. We have already eliminated that one. So, we can have 9 minus 8, 9x minus 8x, we get a single x. And 51 minus 48 is what? Is 3, right? So, we get that our x is what? Is 3, okay? Now, you can replace this x in any of the equation above here so that you can get y. So, 3, I am using the first equation, into bracket 3 plus 4y equals 17, right? So, 9 plus 4y equals 17, right? So, 4y equals 17 minus what? Minus 9, right? So 4y is what? What is 17 minus 9? 8, right? So you divide by 4, you divide by 4. By 4, 1, by 4, 1. By 4, 1, by 4, 2. So y is 2. So in this equation, while your x is 3, your y is what? Your y is 2. Second example, let's do the third one. We have our third example that 2x plus y equals 5 and x plus y is 1. We already have two common unknown. We can just eliminate y. And I said, in the case where you have a positive and a negative, if you introduce a negative again, it will become a positive. So it will be like you'll be adding y plus y. So you won't be eliminating. So in this case of positive and negative, you introduce a what? A positive, okay? So that you will get positive y, you add negative y, you get 0, right? But 5 plus 1 is 6, okay? And 2x plus x, that is 3x, okay? So 3x equals to 6, so you divide by 3, you divide by 3. You will get that your x is 2. Right? Replace in either equation. You can replace in the above. So 2 into bracket 2 plus y is 5. So this means 4 plus y is 5. Right? So that means y is 5 minus 4. So you get that your y is what? Is 1. So in these two equations, while x is 2, y is 1. That is how we do elimination method. Please subscribe.